concerto. Later, much later, in Paris.
Did you record that? Never.
No, but I was very young.
Yeah.
And I was so impertinent that I said I will make a cadenza my own, without writing. And I played, I know that would be, that's very the cadenza-like.
Yes.
But after 2 minutes, I didn't know what to do. It's not a laughing matter. I was very upset.
And then what happened? So you stopped?
No, I stopped. I went to chromatic scale, the up with the trill.
Yeah.
That helped. But I'm very resourceful. When something is wrong, I know how to get away without being noticed that I'm criminal.
A little